Hi, today we will see how to create the dual axis field map chart in Tableau. So for creating this chart, we will use the sample superstore dataset. So for creating this chart, you just have to first double click on the country dimension. So after double clicking, then we have to double click on the state. So now as you can see, our map chart is ready. After that, take the profit and drop it onto the color. So our field chart is ready. So after that, uh, for making the dual axis map chart, I'll take the latitude and I'll drop it onto the row. So our two map chart is ready. So what I'll just do, I'll take the second field from the marks card, and I'll remove the profit from the color. So what I'll just do, I'll take the sales field and drop it onto the size, and I'll take the color, select the color and make it black, and also make it I'll increase the size of our sales. So as we can see now, our two different map chart is ready. So if you want to place these second chart, or if you want to combine the both of the chart, we have to select the dual axis. So for that, you just have to go on the row shelf, click on the drop down and select the dual axis. So our dual axis filled map chart is ready. So if you want to label your chart, you can just directly drag your profit and drop it onto the label. Or if you want to know the subcategory, so you just have to drag your subcategory and drop it onto a label. So this is how we can create the dual axis field map chart in Tableau. Thank you.